This is the series Shopify promotion. Grow with powerful sales tactics. Today, I'll show you exactly when a customer spends over a certain amount, how to automatically add a free gift to their cart for your Shopify store. To make this happen, you'll need a third-party app. Now, there are several apps in Shopify that can do this, but today I'll guide you through BOGOS, the top-rated app for free gifts with purchase here, which creates a smooth shopping experience and is very easy to set up. Okay, let's get started by installing the BOGOS app. I've dropped the link in the description so you can try its free plan first. Then step 1, click All Offers, then Create Offer. Start with Gift Offer, and you'll find many pre-made templates to choose from quickly. Simply pick the spend X amount to get gift 1. Step 2, set up your offer's conditions, starting with filling in all the offer information you want, from title to scheduling the dates if needed. Below, the template has set the main condition up for you. Just decide the minimum purchase amount customers need to spend. For example, $200. What makes BOGOS special compared to other apps is that it lets you set a maximum spending amount here. This setup helps you create tiered offers where each tier unlocks different gifts, and customers who reach higher tiers receive more valuable rewards. Next, choose which products this condition applies to. BOGOS offers the most flexible options among Shopify free gift apps, so you have various choices here. You can start with Any Products. Step 3. In the Select Gifts section, keep it at 100%, so the gift is completely free. Then select the gift you want to offer. For example, a face mask. If you're offering multiple gifts like this, might be samples or something else, and want them all automatically added to the cart, simply click Automatically Add All Gifts. Easy. By the way, if you want to reward customers with more gifts when they spend more, for example, spend $200, get 1 gift, spend $400, get 2 gifts, and so on, simply change the current main condition to the cart value multiplier 1. The setup steps are similar. Step 4, hit Publish, and your free gift offer is now active. Step 5, test the offer. I'm adding a $109 blush to my cart. Since I haven't reached your store's $200 threshold yet, I decide to add this lip balm as well. With 2 of them in my cart, the total cart value goes over $200, and a free mask is automatically added as a reward your store gives to me. Step 6, promote your gift offer to customers. If you use the BOGOS app, you can add a gift slider to let shoppers choose their preferred gift. The Ultimate Today Offer widget to highlight your hot deals, plus a gift icon, gift thumbnail, even a countdown timer, and cart message to drive excitement. Make sure you customize their appearance to match your store's branding. And that's it! You've successfully created an automatic free gift offer over a spending amount. If you're wondering which are the top 3 Shopify apps for this offer type, reviewed by experts, or get a detailed tutorial on setting up more advanced free gift with purchase offers using BOGOS app, then check the description below for all our videos. Finally, thanks for watching. We are BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.